also have to take if I did get it wrapped, I'm gonna have to take the.
$2016 Frozen Red M3. Next to 2015 M4. Frozen Red. Frozen. Forgot the O. It's crazy how the color looks so different depending on the angle. Like right here, it looks so much darker and like actual red than orange. Mind opening up?
What's that?
Mr. Jerome? Nah, the interior. I want to see that full leather. You know I don't have that. I have cheap plastic in my car.
I know.
With the manual. Do you wish you had orange interior, or do you like it with the black?
I wish I had white. Just some white.
White?
Just to be different.
Always want to be different.
Look at all the stars.
Look at that scratch. I can't even find the scratch anymore. Oh, it's right over here.